We will use a demo project to show how to visualize sensor information through connection with Amazon Web Services by LTE communications. The target MCU is an RL78 G23. This video guide is in 2 parts. This video is Part 2, running the demo project. Please refer to the other video for Part 1, demo project overview and preparations. This section introduces how to set up the terminal software. Set the G23 MCU board power selection header to short pins 2-3, thus selecting a 3.3 volt power supply. Set the VCCSYS pin on the USB to UART conversion board to short. Connect the MCU board and USB to UART conversion board to the PC with a USB cable. Set the terminal software to be used for log output from the demo project. Select the port to which the USB to UART conversion board is connected. Make the speed, data, parity, stop bits, and flow control settings. This section introduces how to program the RL78 G23 MCU board with the initial image and run the image. Open the device manager and note the number of the COM port to which the MCU board is connected. This COM port number is used when programming the firmware. Next, program the MCU board with the initial image. Open the Renesas Flash Programmer. Select File, and then New Project. Select Microcontroller, and then RL78G2X. Enter the project name. Specify the project folder. Select Tool, and then COM port. Select Interface, and then 2-wire UART. Open Tool Details. Select the COM port number noted down when connecting the MCU board, and click on OK. Click on Connect. Check to see if the connection was successful. Select the MOT file for programming of the MCU board. Click on Add or Remove Files. Click on Add File. Select the initial image created by the Renesas image generator. Click on OK. Click on Start to start programming. Check to see if programming was successful. After successful programming, the demo project will run. Use the terminal software to check that the initial firmware is running, and that the temperature data acquired from the sensor board is being transmitted. This section introduces how to visualize temperature data with CloudWatch. Please refer to the application note. Open CloudWatch in a web browser. Click on Logs, and then Logs Insights. Select the log group that has been created. Enter a query. Click on Visualization. Click on Run Query. Check to make sure that the temperature data are being displayed graphically. This section introduces how to update the firmware by OTA updating. To update the firmware, register the image for use in updating with OTA jobs. Open IoT Core. Create a job. Click on Remote Actions, Jobs, and then Create Job. Select Create Free RTOS OTA Update Job, and click on Next. Enter a job name, and click on Next. Select the thing that has been created. Select MQTT. Select Sign a new file for me. Click on Create New Profile. Enter a profile name. Select Windows Simulator. Select Import New Code Signing Certificate. Import the certificate. In Choose File, select the signature generation and verification keys created with OpenSSL in the procedure of the Part 1 video. Choose files for Certificate Body, Certificate Private Key, and Certificate Chain. Click on Import. Check to see if importing was successful. Enter a desired path name, and click on Create. On completion of creation, a banner will appear at the top of the screen. Upload the image for use in updating. Select Upload a new file. Click on Choose File, and select the image for use in updating created by the Renesas image generator. Specify the bucket that was created. Enter a desired path name. Select the role that was created. Click on Next. Click on Create Job. On completion of creation, a banner will appear at the top of the screen. Select the created job and open the Details screen. Click on Job Executions to make sure that the job is in progress. Open the terminal software. A log of programming of the MCU board with the image for use in updating is output. On completion of writing, check to make sure that the updated firmware is running, and that the temperature and humidity data acquired from the sensor board are being transmitted. Refresh the job details confirmation screen to make sure that the job is complete. This section introduces how to visualize temperature and humidity data with CloudWatch. Open CloudWatch. Click on Logs, Logs Insights, and then Run Query. Make sure that humidity data are being displayed graphically in addition to the temperature data. Please refer to the application note for further details.